Hey y'all, my name is Kel and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I am here today to invite you to an open invite, and we're going to call this annually. Last year, if you remember the Sophisticated Ladies Club, we started our group and that was our open invite and our debut for the end of the summer all white party. Now, if you missed it last year and if you're new to YouTube, please make sure to check out the iCard and you can go over and view the playlist. We had such a fantastic time last year. It was a great the end of the summer event, you know, being that we were all kind of shut down and everything. So we wanted to bring it back again this year. And of course, I could not do it without my Sophisticated Ladies Club members, Miss Tammy Thompson from Thompson-TVMG, Miss Robin from Table Talk with Robin, Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, and the lovely Miss Penny at Miss Penny's Place. So let me get into the information. We want you to title your video Annual All White Party 21. The date this year will be August the 6th, which is a Friday. We're going to do a Friday evening this time at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the hashtag will be Annual All White Party 21, just the same as the title. There's basically no rules. We just really ask that you use all your white pieces. You could design a table, something outside, whatever you want to do. If you would like to use an accent color, you can do that as well. We just want as many participants that have been waiting to, you know, do something in their comfort zone. Well, this is it. Come on over and join the Sophisticated Ladies Club in our annual end of the summer all white party. Don't forget to use YouTube etiquette. Mention the Sophisticated Ladies Club in your video, and you can come over and copy and paste all our links and put down in your description box. And that's it. So I hope that you will come out and participate with us. This was a fun event last year, and it made us feel like, you know, we were still able to get out and do something. So once again, the annual end of the summer all white party, I will have all the information down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a lovely comment, let me know if you're going to participate so we can be looking out for your video. And please make sure to go over and visit the other lovely ladies and watch their open invite. The playlist will be available also down in the comments section, and please no early uploads. And if you have any questions, you can always message me on Facebook. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And again, you can always email me if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, and just put in the reference all white summer, and then I'll know to respond and get right back to you. Talk to y'all later, and as I always say, ciao. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see you in another open collaboration. Bye bye.